Welcome. In this class, we will talk about ecosystems, food chain, food web, and the concept of energy pyramid. Now, in the previous class, we talked about what is biosphere. Biosphere is a zone where land, water, and air meet. So, I can draw simply three Venn diagrams here, three circles here to keep it simple. One would be of air, the other would be of water, and the third one would be the land. We call it as atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Together where the three meet is the region which I have shaded in the center, and this region is called as biosphere. That means for the life to survive, all the three elements are required. Now, once we understand the concept of biosphere, let's move to the next concept, and that is ecosystem. Ecosystem I can explain with this simple diagram here. So what you can see in this image, of course we are not here for a storytelling, but this diagram tells you numerous things. There are animals, butterflies, there are mushrooms, river flowing, stones, mountains, trees. So all the things which are living would be called as what? They would be called as the biotic. And all the things which are non-living, for example mountains, rivers, they would be called as abiotic. So this ecosystem is primarily a composition or an amalgamation. Together the biotic and the abiotic form the ecosystem, and this is an example of one of the good ecosystems that exist. Now, sometimes it so happens that the ecosystem is not functioning well. So what is done in that case? If the ecosystem, the flow gets broken, how it can be replenished? So the trees would shed the dead leaves. Similarly, the dead animal matter or the animal fecal matter which would go into the soil. Here there are decomposers who would break down this organic material. Now, as they move here, this organic material would have minerals and nutrients which would get attached to it in the soil, and this would be absorbed by the roots of the plants again and finally help in the plant growth